Hi, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Cindy and I make all kinds of beauty content. So if that's what you like, then please subscribe and hit the notification bell button so you'll know when I upload videos. Today, we're going to look at my IPSY box that I received. Now, if you recall, I have not had an IPSY box in probably 5 or 6 months because I was trying to save a little bit of money and I did not like the choices that they offered as spoilers. So I just kept pausing and skipping. This is what my box is supposed to be, the things that I picked out. You can see kind of the ring light and the reflection. Sorry about that. But I'm supposed to get some First Aid Beauty, a little palette, some eye serum, and then 2 things that they picked out. So let's see what's next. Just more of what my box is supposed to be. I took screenshots. I was not at my computer when I did this. Anyway, let's see what we got here. For one of our choices, for our third choice, we'll start off with our first choice. For our first choice, this was our choices. We had some Dry Bar Beauty, dry shampoo, which I don't use dry shampoo. I wash my hair every day, and so I didn't need that. We had First Aid Beauty, and I've actually paid full price for that before, so I thought it was worth it, and I did it. What else we got there? We had some kind of passion hair and body fragrance. I don't use a lot of fragrance. I go through spells. Right now I'm in a spell of not using it. You know, maybe people would wish I did, but I don't. And there was some mascara, and when I consulted with Copilot, he didn't think that that was people's favorite. And then there was a blush palette, which I'm not really big on blush palettes. I'm sure it's nice and everything, but I've got some blush palettes that I had from other boxes that I never dig into. Like if you watch my makeup videos, I'm always using these little singles, which I don't even think about it. Like I did a makeup look today, this one, and it'll be up next week. It's not really my favorite look because these are not the my favorite colors, but it's the colors I had to work with. But anyway, I mentioned in the video, oh, I should have pulled out one of those palettes, but I don't ever think about a blush palette, and so that would be just a waste for me. So that was the first choice. The second choices were, I got the palette on the second choice, and these were the choices. Looked like some Formula Z powder, which might have been a good deal. I've got all kinds of powder. Of course, if you watch my other videos, you know that I'm bad about getting them too dark unless I actually at the store to pick out what I like. And they had some honey infused lip oil. I was kind of scared of that. Things have been drying my lips out, so I didn't want that. And they had some Serum Recovery Serum, which that might very well be good, but I use CeraVe. It's got all that ceramide stuff in it. And you know, you can never have too many palettes. And a lot of people said good things about the Wonder Beauty, so that's what I got. We'll probably be doing that, maybe a throwback, because even though the palette's new to me, I'm sure this is an old palette. You know, they're not putting out brand new stuff on IPSY. Then the third product, my choices were brushes. I've got plenty of brushes. I have several sets that I wash and keep dry. Then I have some that I have not even dug into yet. And so I didn't want that. They had some face and body SPF 30, which that would have been okay, but I didn't want it. They had some lip pencils. I've got plenty of lip pencils. I've purchased some off Amazon. I've purchased some off ColourPop. And then we had some prebiotic age-defying eye serum. And so that's what I picked out. It looked like it was a pretty high-priced item, and I need stuff for my eyes, so that's what I picked out. What else? And then they've got some Ofra liquid liner. I like eyeliner. And a Tarte Maracuja lip juicy, and I have never had any of that, but that's what IPSY picked out for us, so that's what I got there. So let's see how this box compares with what I ordered. And this just came in today, so I'm hoping to get this film up this afternoon. You know, I know other people have already posted theirs, but that's okay. They can post theirs. They have different boxes than I have. Okay, so first we get a little pamphlet. And I don't look at these very much. Okay, Summer collection. Some of these might be spoilers for next time. So we'll look at this later. It's a brochure. I don't want to spend a whole lot of time looking at it. It's got a pretty woman on it. It might have these Tarte, the Maracuja. It talks about that there. And the thing that says, your favorite balm gloss color all in one. The Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip Vinyl Gloss in your April box is what dreams are made of. So I'm excited to try that because I'm getting to where I like stuff on my lips all the time so they don't get dry. And powered by Maracuja Passion Fruit Oil and 10 Plus Super Fruit Complexes. So a lot of people like that. What is next? Favorite main stage makeup tutorial. So they gave us a little tutorial for this makeup look. And they didn't show the palette. It says the Ultimate Summer Collection. I guess we can buy that. What is it? Sneak peek. So this is going to be some of the spoilers for next month. We got a hydrating lip gloss in melt. Oh, no. Gloss in melt, but it's L-I-T-H-E is the brand. A Rare Beauty Comfort Gentle Exfoliating Body Wash and a Hydra Beam Concealer. So I don't know that I care about the body wash, but this one and this one I would like. So those are spoilers. But next week is the bigger box in that. I can't remember. Anyway, so let's compare my box. Ooh, I got the First Aid Beauty. I'll be using it. I'll go ahead and open it. See if it's what I remember. This is a pretty big container. How many ounces is this? This says 6 ounces. It seems like when I bought it before, it was less. And I'm not going to open it. I'm sure it's just some white cream. But anyway, this has got oatmeal. And, you know, especially like if you've had a treatment or just sensitive skin, this works out good. And I use these kind of light moisturizers all the time, every day. But anyway, that was my pick. And said it was $45 value. Back when I was actually paying full price for it, you know, it was a smaller container, and that was several years ago. It would be like over $30. What else we got? Age-defying eye serum. So yeah, what does it say? Let's look at this. I don't know that I'm going to open it up like a lot of them do because I've got makeup on. It's not like I can try it out, but I will. Okay, so it looks like it comes in a pump, so that's good. That's airtight. That's a good sign that, you know, it is going to be sealed. Let's see if we can get a little bit out. I don't want to waste it. So I didn't want to waste it, but it is, first it looked like it might have a little white color to it, but really not. It's just a clear serum. So I'll be using this tonight. Well, I put it with my other eye serum. I'll probably alternate. I've got some Skin Medica that I've been using that I got from the cosmetic surgeon's office when I had something done. Ooh, here is the Wonder Beauty palette in the clouds. See if I have time, we will swatch it. I don't have a towel with me, so I won't do a whole lot of swatching. I guess I got a sponge I can wipe my hand off on. I didn't think ahead to bring a towel in here. I could get up and go get one if I needed to. But anyway, this is in a nice cardboard container. I like that. It's not plastic. And these are super pretty colors. Looks like this, and this are shimmers, and the others are matte. And so we might do this one Thursday. Let's see, these are pretty. How about we swatch a few of the shimmers, okay? We're going to do this one, and this one, and this one. That. So we'll do a palm swatch. So those are super pretty. So we might be using this in the Throwback Thursday series. Or, but this is the Wonder Beauty. This is what I picked out, what I wanted. I don't remember, list my little palm prints in there. So, that was an alarm. I got to speed it up. I got an appointment. So, those were the 3 things that I picked out. Let's look at the things that IPSY picked out for me. I don't know if they picked these out for everyone or not, but this is what they picked out for me. One is the Maracuja Vinyl Lip Juicy. I do have some lip stuff on, so we can swatch this on my hand. It's in a really nice container. Is it sealed? Okay, we will swatch this on my hand because I've already got lipstick on. How do we get it up? I might have to read the instructions. Let's see. What does this say? It does. Anyway, I got to figure that out. But anyway, so here's the color. Sort of a dark cranberry color. Anyway, I got to figure out how to get it to work, though. I'll have to read the directions. No time right now, though. Maybe you just have to push this enough. Anyway, so I put that on top of what I had. Alrighty. So, the next thing are Verified Liquid Liner by Ofra. This is the first time I've had one of these. Let's look at that. So it's a pretty big box, but it's just got one liner in there. And we will swatch this on my hand. We will see what it's like. That's how I'll be using it. So it's a felt tip marker. So I do like felt tip markers, but they seem like they want to go out a lot. So anyway, so we'll see how that works out. I just don't know. Anyway, so I think that is the end of the box. We got our 5 products and a flyer, and I tested out the lip stuff. Doesn't really match. Now I got it on my teeth. That's okay. It doesn't really match my lipstick I had, but that's okay. So, anyway, I've got to go to an eye appointment at the mall. So, I will see you guys in the next video. Be sure and watch. Monday, we'll have our Monday night at the movies, where I'm going over the Tangled palette. That's what this look is. And I'll be editing a short. I'll be edit this up and try to get this up today, which is Saturday. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.